Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. My name is Marlena, and I'm part of the defense team for Peyton Scott. It has been a pleasure to appear before you in court today regarding these serious allegations. We appreciate your attention during this matter and hearing out both parts of this case from a non-biased point of view. In this case currently at trial, the district attorney has presented insufficient evidence to convict Peyton Scott. We are asking for a return of not guilty. There is no proof that shows Peyton was the one purchasing these items. There was no way to say that Peyton was the only one accessing his computer with no security lock and in a campus apartment. Peyton may not have taken all proper measures to secure his paperwork or his laptop, but was it his fault to assume that he had a trustworthy roommate? Seeing that there was more than one person living in the apartment, it is questionable as to why Lander's laptop was not checked for evidence. Why was there no forensic check to establish if IP address spoofing or MAC address forging had occurred? If Peyton were as guilty as the prosecution is trying to make him out to be, why would he voluntarily hand over anything as incriminating as his own IP or MAC address, if he was planning on hacking beyond what was assigned to him? Did Agent Phillips just want an open and shut case? Was there a forensic sloppy investigation? Was it fair to conclude that he was guilty without delving in deeper to the technological aspects of this hack? There are two people that are currently enrolled in the same program. Two people that have similar knowledge in hacking. Two people that had readily available access to the laptop included in Exhibit 5. Yet only one person is being accused. It is stated by most witnesses that these technological skills did not come easy to Lander. And seeing that Peyton excelled, one might conclude that Lander grew envious of the attention Peyton was receiving and the opportunities that arose for him. What was the reason for Lander's snooping into Peyton's paperwork or projects? Was it curiosity that got the better of him, or was it just a moment of opportunity? He could knock out his competition and also enjoy such lavish gifts he currently didn't have. It was the prosecution's burden to establish Peyton guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The prosecutor had resources readily available to investigate the case further, but decided to put a cap on pursuing any further forensic investigation. There are many unanswered questions and as many inconsistencies within this investigation, which leads to the fact that the prosecution, in fact, did not meet that burden. Peyton is a hardworking, dedicated student who is taken beyond the minimum required credits to be considered full-time. With his track record in school, it's safe to say that he has excelled in most his cyber classes. Why would he put his career at risk for such meaningless, materialistic items? We are only asking you to see our defendant as he is, a hardworking student who is willing to advance his education and career by putting his skills to the test and accepting a great opportunity. Peyton is someone who will work his way to success with no shortcuts given. Give him the only verdict that's fair, not guilty.